Welcome back to today's morning forecast. This is on Monday, the 5th of September, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets, looking at dollar yen now. And we've got a move on dollar yen, which ultimately on Friday, I think, sort of started to drive a breakout. The breakout has been questioned, though. The yen has been sort of weakening for a couple of weeks now, and it had quite. I mean, you'd certainly say that's a fairly strong rally, sort of from around a 100 big figure to sort of 104. But it's just started to lose a bit of momentum, and you look at these momentum indicators rolling over the RSI. It's back below 60 again. 60 has been a consistent point in the last few months where the RSI has rolled over on these big rallies. Stochastics also given a crossover sell signal. Is that going to be confirmed by a cross back below 80? You've had eventually the crossover sell signal confirmed in May, but and also July. But it sometimes takes a while. But also you've got the MACD lines, which are sort of unwound to neutral, started to sort of roll over again. So it's very interesting. It sort of is but still at a bit of a crossroads. You're still uncertain as to exactly whether the move will result in a big renewed bit of selling pressure. As I said, you had that downtrend channel broken. This is a fairly well, I wouldn't say it's completely and utterly accurate as downtrend channels go. But still, I think it's an interesting move nonetheless. But you're still trading below this 89-day moving average, which has basically been the basis of resistance through these rallies as well. And you've turned lower again today. You're sort of 60 ticks lower on the day today. So it sort of questions the move. And I think that what we now need to start to look out for is this support at 102.80. Friday's low. That was a spike low, as you can see on the hourly chart. However, there is sort of a basis of support that came in around sort of 102.80 area from early on in the week, and sort of between 102.80, 103 figure area is a basis of support now. So if you start to lose that support, you could certainly say that that move is rolling over, I would say. You look at these hourly momentum indicators though, look at the hourly RSI dropping away, MACD lines dropping away. This suggests sort of a lack of or a loss of impetus that was sort of generating throughout last week, which might start to tell on this. We've already seen the downside move today, but as I said, I think that 102.80 to 103 figure area support is key now. And I think what we're going to see is a possible test of that level, and if that does have a successful breakdown, then you could start to see the selling pressure mounting once again. But very interesting sort of crossing the roads for dollar yen. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.